Tessellation division values. Tessellation divisions are really the foundation of our mesh objects. It's how they are representative and how they are manipulated. If we go down into our help screen and we go into tessellation and we go into creating meshes, you can see that mesh tessellation is how far we break up the object into little cubes or little mesh pieces of we create lines. The lines are known as tessellation lines, and we can basically we can have very few tessellation lines, or we can have a lot more. The higher the number of tessellation lines, the more degree of smoothness. So we can smooth an object with a higher degree of tessellation lines than one without any. So we can start off with some primitive shapes, and we can manipulate those shapes into more refined pieces if we have more tessellation lines. So if we're trying to get more refinement, it allows us to have more tessellation lines, allows us to have more accuracy on how we manipulate that refinement. So the smoothness and refinement is all goes back to these tessellation divisions. The more we have them, the more we can edit things, and we can start off with very few, and we can or we can go to a lot. So we have things called mesh primitives, which are things like boxes and cones and cylinders, etc. Or we can create them from other old style options. We can have ruled surf, tab surf, reb surf, and edge surf. We can convert other objects into meshes. So there's a variety of ways we can start, but it really boils down to how many of these tessellation lines are there on the object. And it is from there that we can smooth things. We can crease those things. We can split them. We can refine them. And it's really our basic building block is these tessellation lines. So really these tessellation lines are these individual lines that make up the object. And so we can typically can have them with few, or we can have them with a lot.